Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can compress files or documents on CloudConvert in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your account on CloudConvert. And here, once you're logged in, click into Tools at the top and choose the file type you'd like to compress. I will go with Compress PDF. Next guys, you want to upload the given file. By clicking into add more files here and then select the source. As you can see, I've already done that, so I'm going to compress this PDF document here with a file size of 3.4 MB. What you want to do guys is click into compress here. Well, the file size hasn't been reduced actually, but that's technically at least how it works. After that you can download the file onto your device. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.